Hey everybody, it's Rich Hay from WindowsObserver.com. As everyone knows, Microsoft Build 2020 is happening next Tuesday and Wednesday, the 19th and 20th of May, and it's going to be a virtual event. First time Microsoft has ever done Build as a virtual event, and in fact we already know because of coronavirus it's going to be virtual this year, and Build 2021 is also going to be virtual. So I suspect what we'll find is that Microsoft will use this as an opportunity to learn. Now, almost always at Build there's a big expo show floor, lots of swag to be had. Well, with the virtual event you don't quite get the swag you would normally get. However, Microsoft has seen fit to send out some boxes of swag to people, and that's what I have here. It was delivered today by UPS. So I'm just going to pop the tape off of this for a minute, and we're going to go through this box and check it out and see what's in there. So we start off with thank you from all of us, Microsoft Build. So we have a postcard type thing here that says welcome to Build, and it's got the detail. As one of our first registrants, you are receiving this limited edition Microsoft Build swag. Grab your remote access pass and join us starting May 19th for 48 hours, etc., etc., etc. The Microsoft Build team, and then the hashtag Microsoft Build. So you got that. Remember seeing these images pop up a few weeks ago of the really cool graphics? That is all about Build, Fluent, and all that kind of stuff. So, and when it said your digital pass, right there it is, Microsoft Build Remote Access Pass, May 19th and 20th, 2020. We do have a lanyard in here. So there is a lanyard to go with this. So just like you would have at the show if you were in person in Seattle, you would have your lanyard and you would have your pass to wear around. I promise you I will wear this pass next Tuesday and Wednesday when I'm watching all the Microsoft Build stuff online. There is a pair of socks. These have become very, very popular swag at all the Microsoft events. All kinds of different socks are thrown out there, ninja socks, and I think every product team possible has socks, and this is the Microsoft Loves Developer socks. So kind of a cool piece of swag there. And then what else have we got here? So this we're going to go into in a minute. There's 2 pages of stickers. So on the first one there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers on there of various different things. Let's see. Microsoft 365 Developer, Microsoft Build, Stay Calm and Dev On, Microsoft Build, and Microsoft Learn. And then on this one here, we've got a big Microsoft Azure sticker and a couple other logo stickers and another Microsoft Learn sticker as well. So a couple pages of swagger, again, stickers. This is, again, a very popular piece of swag that you find on the show floor when you're walking around the expo. And so the rest of the box is empty, so I'm going to set that aside. And this is the one I've heard about. So apparently this is a lunch box. So it's logoed Microsoft Build. So let's pop this open. And in fact, what we have up on top here are fork, knife, and spoon, all for eating your meals with, whether virtual or in person. And we will stick these back in here and get them out of the way. Somehow, some way, they go in there. And then we'll open up the lunch box. And it looks like it's got a strap for holding the lid on, so you can put it around the lid. It's got a divider for dividing whatever it is you carry in here. And let's see what this says. It says it's made with durable, lightweight bamboo fiber composite. Yep, it's true. I'm made with bamboo, it says. Let's see if we can get that to come up. There we go. So pretty cool little kit here for your lunch and everything like that. And I promise to eat at least one of my meals out of this next week during Build, all right? So if you've got your own set of Build swag, share it with us. Show us in the comments below on the video what you have. And we will see everybody online next week for Microsoft Build. Take care. Stay safe.